Yo, what's good? Today we're gonna be doing a little bit of a project. So since I bought the car, it hasn't had this. So like when you close it, it's kinda, you just get your finger in there. So I don't want rain and bugs to get in there, so I'm finally fixing it with my screws. Also, I need to figure this out. That's coming from this. So, because if I look, the pulley's like wet. Well, not wet, but it looks like it used to be wet. And I know it's leaking from a boot of the rack and a head, like the port of the rack too. But I'm gonna focus on this first. I don't feel like getting under the car yet.
I know you seen the falls in the Lord. All the time, not Mrs. Snack, fake rapper. Reading for the fat guys, splatter. Killing niggas, even dope back, live matter. Weeks on the floor, make throws. Step stone, I'm step up. Tell time, better step the smoke. With the boat, with the dozen coat. Let's tell on the motor road. Young nigga playing on the road. Postman, telephone. Cling, cling, cling. Postman. Fuck the taco, fuck the jack, fuck the line, I'm in the shit. This nigga sketchy. Show my favorite fans, that's how I fuck with Giuseppe. Fuck the Gucci, fuck the rapper.
So I was wondering why this wouldn't come off, and I thought it was just like you unplug this, which I don't know why I had originally thought that. And we gotta pop all these off because these are the bulbs. And you gotta pop these two. You gotta pop these two tabs out. It's like trying to do this with one hand is kind of hard. I guess you just pop out the little clips. Twist these. Alright, out with the old and in with the new. I honestly really like how it looks. I like that. Kind of matches the front wheels too with the kind of, I don't know, like, I like these even though they're like stock. But like, nothing else on the car is red besides my, I mean they kind of went with my harnesses, but I like it a lot better now. Alright, so it's rubbing. So I gotta cut it because this whole thing was rubbing like to here. So I'm just gonna cut it off both sides. Alright, we solved the problem on the first side. Clean cut. I mean, it's a little, but that's alright. Now it's gotta come off.
First test run with the angle kit.
Alright, first test drive. It's pulling hard to the right. Definitely need an alignment. And I can't go into third gear because it still grinds. But, I mean, it seems pretty steady though. So can't really get a good view of me driving. Oh, it's definitely rough. I'll say that. But I mean, so far so good.
Main voice down the road. Angle kit. Get together.
Yo, it's been about a week since I made my last video. It's all gonna be in this. It's all gonna be in the same the same video, but pretty much now I have to drop the whole coil over onto a jack because so this was on the left hand side, the driver's side, and if you look, there's an R. So pretty much say you had it like this to adjust caster, and I need it to be like this to adjust camber. So thank you, Mikey, if you're watching this. No, I'm just playing. It was probably his students. The guy I bought it from was a shop class teacher, and he had his students build the cars and stuff. But I mean, he might have done it on purpose, who knows. It's just for what I need it for, it was the wrong way. So now I have to take out all the Allen head bolts. Man, this one's tight. Take this one out, take these 3 out, drop the whole thing, take that plate out, put this plate in, and then take this plate out and put that plate in over there. I don't even know how many times I've taken this car apart within the last 3 months. Oh, there we go. It's popped. Got it. Boom. Bolt out. Now get the breaker bar. I gotta turn the video off for this, but anyway, yeah, crack these 3 loose and then it just falls out. Alright, y'all. I got it to -8 evenly. This one was already -8, the other one was -13. But I could actually get a jack underneath it now, kind of, sorta. I still have to use 2 or 3 jacks to get it in the air. But I'm happy with that for now. Yo. What's good? We're at Leadfoot. Got the trailer, or got the car on the trailer, waiting to get loaded in. They're opening the gate, but I don't think they're letting me in yet. They're just working on the track. So, we'll be in here soon. Alright, y'all, it's pouring down the rain. but you know, we still going anyway. First time rain drifting. Already went once. I didn't spin out, but I was like too scared to dump the clutch all the way, so I didn't really do anything. But I'm next up, so we're going.